Anirudh, keep it here. Now it's easy to sit and score.
Oh, there.
Yeah, please.
He has to move.
Yeah, he's coming, he's coming.
No, I would have keep it in here so that at least you can sit and score.
Yeah. Which bench?
That one.
The bench angle.
Bench. No, that one.
Oh, okay.
Why?
No, you can't see him much.
He's bringing.
Live comment. Guys, long innings.
The posture is incorrect.
Don't worry. Why? Even that will make him tired. Karthik is correct. You have to conserve energy on the day. Use it all the match.
What happened, man? Father's Day? I want to play Father's Day.
Contact right. Injured without playing the game.
Yeah, without playing the game, I got injured yesterday. I ran to the because I got late. So I ran to the fielding and then I pulled my groin.
Even funnier than other reasons today.
Seriously, yeah.
At least practice life you have gotten injured.
You ran to the game and you got...
Yeah.
From the park.
I didn't get parked
So you
because
didn't
I
have,
parked at
since yesterday you didn't drink water?
I ran.
So it's not gone?
No, it's gone. I don't know what happened.
I don't know what's the
इतने बुरा काम है तो हमारा क्या
before the game injured.
பரவாயில்ல நான் ஓடுவேன்
சீக்கிரம் பாருங்க ஒரு கேம் ஒரு ரன் ஓடிட்டேன் அதுக்கப்புறம் முடியலன்னு காணுங்க அப்புறம் injured. Oh, but in practice since he's injured he's hitting shots.
That is cross shots. Only boundaries.
Remember this ground is your favorite ground?
Yeah.
And all the wind is behind.
Bowler
I
name.
don't know what's with our team and grind. In the last match, Chirag played.
Say that again.
First ball he bowled. First
Nick.
ball.
Puneet.
Subraya. First ball he bowled, he pulled his groin.
Last match?
I can take the chair.
They're not talking anything bad.
Thank you.
कैसे रखेंगे वो एज में बैठ गया बस पार्क में पार्टी कर रहे हैं
Both batsmen are playing with the bat.
Hey, is wicket keeper Omkar? Omkar, Puneet bowling, right? Puneet Kenyam.
Puneet is bowling.
Okay.
This guy talks a lot. The guy who's playing.
Surprised they're giving bowling to him.
No ball! No ball!
Yesterday,
What's it?
The guy
went over the head.
Umpire! No ball!
Saying it went
Is that a dot ball?
Dot ball, yeah.
bowling yesterday.
That was clearly over, right?
Above the shoulder means I don't know.
Yeah, it was above the shoulder.
Above the head is no ball.
Above the shoulder is also no ball.
Wide.
No ball!
No ball.
Free hit!
No free hit for this.
Yeah?
Pitch twice is free.
Abhiya. Everything other than like over. Not a free hit.
This one and then the one above the shoulder. Those two are not there. Those two the only ones there's no free hit. I don't know why. You have to be free hit. Just the criteria.
No plus one run. No special criteria. Okay, feature.
No ball. Just click on no ball.
Oh, okay. Maybe next time. Okay. This time I
Live
think-
demo.
Oh, okay.
All the balls are going to come like this. This pitch is tailor made for playing these two shots.
Like cross shot, cross
The
shot.
cross back shot.
Anybody didn't get bowling?
There is a stump here. You can cut it.
No, I can, but I am still
Yes.
I'm the scorer.
Adrian, wait for some time. I'll give it to Saurabh.
No, Saurabh, take a look at how this game.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, okay. Hey, sorry, you can see. Yeah, I totally forgot about it.
The bowler is
Like a king, I have a.
so what if based on the bowler, what if I do? I take market dot no. And if it's a legal, I just mark. The online scoring will come from the umpire.
Yeah.
When you write the ball, just like the aggregate. Score five! Score five!
Umpire. Bowler name. Okay.
अंपायर स्कोर ही नहीं कर रहा है देख दोनों हाथ फोल्डेड है
Bowler name.
भाई अंपायर इज नॉट स्कोरिंग बाय द वे नो नो इज अंपायर
The white shirt, the white shirt.
Bowler name.
Chala.
Rana.
Rana used to. This was the last bat I got before my marriage.
दैट इज नॉट अ सब्सिडी ही इज द प्लेयर
No, I know. That's what I know. Bowler name.
Who substituted? I don't know who's batting. Who's batting?
Hey, bowler name. Bowler name, please. Guys, bowler name. Louder.
Guys, bowler name. Bowler का नाम बता दीजिए.
Okay.
Hey, nice da, hey. Lovely da, hey. Good running da.
Good running, boys.
टेक द स्टंप सम एक्स्ट्रा स्टंप here and the bat someone keep 11 10 lakh on the bat chair bench
I think this is heavy, right? From where is this coming? We've always been seeking your like.
this is what matters right
Okay, how many over?
Just a second.
starting date
Do. Push it, guys. Why sir, this is?
you should reach and then
Hey, this is wide, na?
is
Is that a wide or wide?
that a buy or a white
Wide. Okay.
please signal hey Ketan again come take पानी चाहिए क्या चाहिए
பொறுமையாக கொடுங்க ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை
நேற்று அவன் கால் பண்ணி நம்மளுக்கு ஈவினிங் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்
பரவாயில்ல அவர் டியூஸ்டே வராதிங்க
அப்படியா
Chetan, get some bowling practice and batting practice. Get some bowling and batting practice.
ஜஸ்ட் ரெண்டு
Yeah, I didn't do anything. Man. That guy. Yeah. So Ali.
ஷார்ட் டைம் யா
That guy Ali.
Hey, nice running da. Good one.
He experiment. Man. Who? So 4 overs, 3 wickets down, 3 runs. After 3 runs. And then he started guys who had Khalil bowler. Like first time played the first.
Which team?
Ali was
Yesterday was the most classic game in for California. They were 0 for 4. Chasing 84 in the game.
And how much did they end up scoring?
84. They won 84.
Oh, they won.
Calivas is won 84.
Oh, wow.
4 wickets down for
4 wickets, 0 for 4.
நானா
Hey, ஓடுறது இதுனா சொல்லு. ஏய் அவன்கிட்ட சொல்லி பார்த்து ஓடு.
சொல்லிருங்க ஓட முடியாதுன்னு. He played a full shot but it went to long on.
வேணா இன்னும் பிடிச்சிட
Went to straight. Short ball is trying to pull it went straight to long on. I think he might be a little early.
इधर मारा तो
You trying to hit mid-wicket?
catcher name
Trying to hit mid-wicket?
next year அணியா போனது
ரெடியா இருக்கீங்களா?
Next போணுமா?
bowling very slow there is no
You could have you got runs. Like that shot was like 2 fielders you have to challenge. You could have probably hit it down.
I thought he will drop it I don't know हाँ मुझे लगा ना मुश्किल था उसका कैच चिपक गया
बात के छोड़ देगा
no I thought like it will not carry but somehow
Yeah, I also felt it won't carry.
I think wind is इस तरफ है
It's opposite actually.
again still it's towards going opposite towards our side
It is favoring Srikanth leg side.
This time they wouldn't stop it.
Srikanth. Srikanth, play long, wait for power plays to play these shots. Intent is okay, but like you can't challenge the fielder straight on.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ ಆಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಆಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
Hit the gap between square and
actually I was trying to wide two balls up right
नहीं नहीं
Okay, he hit 3 shots like that in practice here in water. I'm saying don't get hit.
क्या शॉट था यार हवा लेके गया है और
I watched every single ball except this one ball
तो रिकॉर्डेड है प्ले करके देखो
Okay, no worries. He can play one more.
oh sorry
He can play one more.
टायर्ड मत हो जाओ आ जाओ
Adrian is get and having practice, so this is the warm up.
कौन लग रहा है
Bowler name is Steve, right?
15 1-5
Beautiful shots, Ravi.
run out mata
Yeah, Karthik, you also have to be ready.
అదేం కాల్ దా మనీస్ కాల్ అదేం కాల్ ఐ వాస్ రన్నింగ్ టు ద డేంజర్ ఎండ్
జాలిగా
రవి ఊరు పత్తి
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅದು ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ
கரெக்ட் நீங்க ஸ்டாப் ஆயிருந்தா மூவ் பண்ணல உடனே நான் வந்துட்டு போறேன் why single that urgently no it's that's my call I was going to the danger end when did we stop he never ran he said no why run sala shit वे कर रहा है प्लेऑफ्स के लिए बट आई एम प्लेइंग
scored a really good shot यार
नहीं आज दोस्त में one more नहीं चाहिए यार
That's easy to, right?
shit निकाल भागा ही नहीं अरे रन था डेंजर एंड उसका था
first 10 overs फर्स्ट ओवर में हमने वो रिस्क मांगने की जरूरत नहीं है.
But if he's not running, why did you run?
ನೀವು ಆಕಿ ಚಲ ಗಯಾ अंदर
होना आगे चला जाएगा लेकिन वहाँ पे
Danger and near the black shirt. And it was not going straight to it. It was somewhere there near that orange cone. He had to go pick, so it was my call. I took the start. It's okay, fine, happens.
Adrian.
Hey, watch out.
That's what I'm saying. Like first time
Adrian, वो तुम्हारा ये टीम का है?
मेरा ही है.
मैं खेल रहा हूँ उनकी टीम में.
अच्छा वही वो भी ना मजा आया हाँ क्या पर इतना कुछ खास लगा नहीं
क्या बोलेंगे? किया होता है? हाँ वो तो मैच को दूर रहा था. तो मैच सब दूर रहे. वो वॉरियर्स का टीम अच्छा खेल रहा था उस दिन.
I'll do paper scoring.
कुछ तो करूँगा मैं. Okay, so Ravi had a dot ball. That's it. And the over is over. Second bowler.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಪನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಶಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂಪೈರ್ 18 ಅಂಪೈರ್ 18 again don't come on us
अंपायर 18
ஆமாமா இதே
करले बॉलिंग
நான் ஸ்டெப் எடுத்து ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடுவீங்கன்னு நினைச்சேன்.
முடியலங்க இங்க பாருங்க எனக்கு நான் இப்ப நின்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க இங்க பிரஷர் ஆகும் எனக்கு இந்த இடத்துல Hey, watch. Wait, wear gloves, man.
There is a glove there.
Hey, bowler name.
Inside the kit. Just take the glove inside the kit.
Karthik, can you move a little bit this side so that it won't come this side? Yeah. Thank you.
கண்டிப்பா அட்லீஸ்ட் 20 ரன் பாவமா இருக்குங்க பார்த்தா ஒரு நிமிஷத்துல விழுந்துருச்சு இன்னும் பிளாக் பாக்ஸ் போட்டானா இல்லையா இப்பதான் போடுறான் வைடு வாங்கிட்டான் வைடு இல்லையா
Umpire wide.
நான் பார்க்குற வரைக்கும் எல்லா இதுலேயும் 2 ரீசன் தான் சொல்கிறாங்க. ஒன்று மேனுவல் எரராக இருக்கும், இல்லைன்னா கம்ப்ளீட்டாக இன்ஜின் ஃபெயிலியர்.
Concussion. Okay, got it.
Here. Here might have been jammed with your frame.
Are you hurt?
Here is no. Here is ear flap, but he had the glasses, right? The rod of the glasses beside it, so it's that.
Well left. Le lo.
Meera, but they're also saying both the engines cannot. It's very rare.
Very rare is what they're saying. But
There's no
human error, what they're saying is
ஓடி இருப்பாங்க அவன் ஓடி வந்திருந்தான்
at like 300 feet or so, they'll normally retract the
எல்லாமே நவர்றான்
right? So one of the possibilities I'm hearing is instead of that, the pilot would use the other switch for the flap, which is very close by. So there is one switch for retracting the wheels, the other switch for flap. Flap is on the wings, there is at the end, right? So they do that, and then the flap goes like that, then it will make the plane go down. So that is the only possible human error they're saying. Instead of the landing gear, if they use that switch, it's very unlikely that pilot will not make
போடுறான் பாருங்க
mistakes like that.
இன்னி எடுத்துறோம் கேட்டா இட்ஸ் மை கால் மூணு டாட்டாங்க
So that's why they're saying. So either he attempted to do take the landing gear up and mistakenly did that, or there was no power in the engine. Because if there is no power in the engine, then the landing gear won't go up. That is powered by the engine. So they're saying either they mistakenly take something out, or there was no power even to get the landing gear up, and that means there is no thrust.
Short a boy.
But it's very, very. The most surprising thing is the house that guy, one guy who got down and boom.
Probably where the plane landed.
But yeah, the tail part. So the first building it hit, the rear half of the plane, it came out and it got stuck in that first building, the top of the first building, and then the front part of the plane it went down and hit two buildings further. It went into that building. But this guy, after the collision, there was a big fireball. Okay, all the explosion happened. No, not before the collision. I'm saying after the plane landed, then he opened the emergency door and jumped out.
After there was this spot, after that he jumped.
Yeah. And you know what is the thing? So the odds, they have odds for every seat for a survival if there is a plane crash. And the seat they were sitting 11A, that's like one of the least unlikely spot to survive. And in history, they are like, this is not the first. This is the second incident where a plane crashed. Everybody in the plane except that seat 11A died. That happened once earlier. This is the second time. Yeah, this is the second time. Everyone else died except that one seat. That's ideally, that's supposed to be the most unlikely seat to survive. All the highest survival rate is all near the
21.
Things work in mysterious way.
And it looks like the fuel tank is right under the 11.
Fuel tank is right under,
Exactly.
and
And it had so much fuel.
Miracle.
It's not like that.
Fully filled, right?
and you know, hey, no. Oh no, one ball lost.
See, for me, look at the guys who are sitting inside the building.
Yeah, those
They
guys.
were, those guys were there for lunch, right, or something. Bowler name?
No, he's closing the gate.
Okay.
That's very, very. You know, this guy.
நடந்து வந்து போடுறான்.
There are like 2 or 3 videos circulating right of the plane crash.
Yeah,
One is
got it,
on
got it.
CCTV from the airport itself. There is another where the guy shot from the top of a building, right? So they arrested the guy now.
Why?
Questioning, how come you know that this plane will crash and you recorded this? they taken him and down for questioning.
பித்தலாட்டமா இருக்கு.
No, it makes sense, right?
He's a teenager. This plane crash. There's a guy. There's
No,
a
they are
boy,
also talking
17, 18 years
about,
old, who recorded that plane crash from the top of his building, from his terrace. So the police have now taken him for questioning. How come he recorded that exact moment?
Shot a boy, shot a. Four. Oh, excellent shot, boy, excellent shot.
Shrikant.
क्या रहा नहीं है
सीधा मार दिया उसने. Nice shot, boy, nice shot.
सीधा बढ़ा गया और इधर ट्रैवल होगा ना 25.
ये जो अगर ग्राउंड शॉट से मार सकता है
That was power class 21.
Yeah, they took
21.
I think we are at 25, right? 5.1.
So they have 1, 2, and where is the third one?
They're doing it.
Power play. मारो.
वो तो फेंक रहा है
कर रहा है, इस तरफ क्यों मार रहा है?
नहीं, अच्छा. He needs to do all that shuffling.
I know, but there is no time for this.
रिओरिएंटेशन उसका
Shot a boy.
हाथ में.
नहीं, 4 है.
Nice shot.
he's not going to angle it to some place he's just going to hit अगर वो अच्छा
There was a
29
very similar incident like long back in the US in New York, near New York. You've seen the movie Sully.
Tom Hanks.
Sully. There
They landed.
They landed.
They
So
landed
what they
in-
did is they also had a similar
River.
incident, but it was not an engine failure. It was bird strikes. Okay, they took off. In less than 2 minutes after taking off, birds came in middle and both the engines gone. Okay, with that,
Sully movie. Tom Hanks.
they landed the plane in the river.
No,
in the Hudson
real.
River. That's a real movie. They didn't have any chance to get back to the airport. They didn't have enough elevation, no power, nothing. So they glided the plane and landed in the Hudson.
which movie is that
So do Sully. SULL. You can handle it.
But you need enough elevation. This one, they had less than a minute, so they don't have enough power to
Say if you have enough
handle.
speed, you
If
can
you have enough speed, then what they have is all the airplanes, they have a small wind turbine. Okay?
Careful, guys.
The complete loss of power, they can put that out and that will generate enough power just for the critical ones.
So many are
to
talking
glide.
about
Sorry, not to fly.
then
World
only you
Trade
can
Center.
fly.
Yes. So critical power needed for all the flaps and everything you can get from that, but they didn't have enough time here.
Careful, boy.
It was less than a
Maybe the reason.
But what happened to this one?
We don't have black box. We are.
So the thing is, they removed the black box. Okay? The thing with the black box is they cannot just open it, so they need representation from everyone that is there, FAA, and everybody needs to come in and in front of everybody they can open that and see.
Air India flight.
So they cannot just open the black box yet. So they'll have to keep it, and in front of everyone they'll have to open. So it's going to take a few months to do that.
Guys, don't tire yourself. But people are saying like, they won't even reveal the 100% proof. In the past also.
This is the case. We have to
I saw the video like he was going and then it just. Just two guys.
There was also this other video one guy
Headbutting.
posted. That guy flew the same flight, not on this one London. This flight just flew this London trip. It flew from Dubai to.
10 से ऊपर आ गया.
So he was part of that flight. He recorded a video. And
Run out.
Everything inside the flight was not
Dropping
working.
or
All the AC was
not
not
my
working.
danger end.
None of the monitors was working.
Run.
Nothing was working. He posted that video, and that also got viral, saying like there's something wrong with the plane's electricals and everything.
No.
In the previous.
There is another theory that when the pilot said gear up, the assistant pilot he
Pulled
kind
the
of
flap.
He switched
He
the flaps, retracted the flaps
flaps
instead
and
of the.
then
That's all
he
the other
didn't
theory.
up the landing gear. So
That's the other theory.
Hey,
But
Padma,
that
run on
thing, what they are saying is, if they realize, the moment the pilot realized that they are losing elevation and he realized that happened, he would have had time to adjust it. The reason they are unable to adjust or retrieve from that is suggesting that may not be the problem. There are like a lot of theories only, nothing
yeah.
concrete yet.
Well played.
Now one thing has happened is all Air India flights to India's tickets have become cheaper. No one wants to fly that anymore.
Oh really?
You don't know, right? Everyone's scared.
32.
So for you, it doesn't matter. You take Air India, British Airways, Emirates. For you, it doesn't matter, right? Why? Then, if that is the case, why would you want to prefer Air India? It's just
He's asking for
Air
something.
India flight I took to Delhi.
Batting power play.
Hey, this is
Bowler name.
787, right? This is Dreamliner. Boeing
Dreamliner.
Dreamliner. These
Commissioned
flights are
in
existence only for 12 years.
commissioned in 2014.
Brand new.
Yeah, 2012.
This is only like 12 years, and in the 12 years, it hasn't had a single accident so far, fatal accident so far. This is the first one.
They're doing a new strategy now. Batting park.
Back
He
in
looks
for-
in good.
Good. If both of them want to hit, good.
Vedant, right? Vedant.
Who's taking batting?
Shrikant शायद.
Only over here.
Hello. What's your name? Just for call me. Take over. Thanks. ಅವರು ಇದು ಬಂದೆ ನೋ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕತ್ತತ್ತು ನಿಂದು ವಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ அப்படியா ஏன் வெளில உட்காந்து வெளில போய்
Target your bowlers.
Batting for play.
I hit your.
வெளில போய்
क्या DDC
ஷஃபில் பண்ணாலே கொஞ்சம் ஷஃபில் பண்ணாலே வைடு விடுறான் I'm very happy that Shrikant is shuffling.
So I asked him to do the same in the baseball.
Yeah.
The two
See, that
shots
is-
he did there,
yeah.
that's exactly what he should be doing in a baseball ground. That's an easy 3 or 4 for him.
See, every lefty that comes to play, right, they have that, they get easy runs, they don't realize that.
So if you are not hitting on leg side and getting out, it's a different thing. Every time, long and gets out.
Long and gets out.
They observe the Sama safe, top is on
நேற்று கூட ஒருத்தன் லெஃப்டி தான் அவன் டீம் அடிச்சிட்டு இருந்தான் ஜாலியாக அடிச்சிட்டு இருந்தான் அவனுக்கு வந்து லீடிங் ஹெஜ்ஜில் 6 போச்சு போல்டு ஜாலியாக பால்லாம் ஜாலியாக தான் வருது நீரா ஒன்றும் பெருசாலாம் இல்லை
Don't worry about the power play. Take a single inning.
33, 34.
वही पावर प्ले दिमाग में घूमता है कि
नहीं अच्छा खेला
ये अगर श्रीकांत ने पावर ले लिया है तो क्या होगा? श्रीकांत बोलेगा पावर लेते हैं, रवि बोलेगा नहीं.
श्रीकांत
He is
फिर वो ऐसा
Udlin.
डबल है
रवि जाके पावर प्ले क्यों लेगा पहले
नहीं हाँ रवि बोलेगा कि नहीं मतलब रुक जा जाएगा
वो डबल माइंड
फिर डबल माइंड आ जाता
हाँ डबल माइंड नहीं आई थिंक रवि ने बोला होगा तेरे को लेना है
Yeah, Ravi.
है टेक इट नाउ
yeah he was feeling like he can hit anything वो आ जाता है confidence
செம்ம டைமிங் இருந்துச்சு எனக்கு ஜாலியா எனக்கு
बिना पावर प्ले के रन आ रहे हैं क्या हुआ श्री भाई
And I lost the card. I thought it's not on the show. It was a loose shot. I thought it's okay if I don't hit.
बढ़िया खेल रहा था
तू सोडलास की तुम्हारा लागेल
नाही मला वाटतं सुटला तर सुटला. It's okay. I didn't hit on the. It was on the show.
but whose decision was to take power play
But it's okay. It was loose. Okay.
No, you were going good.
whose decision was to take power play
No, Ravi took it. He didn't even.
रवि टू किट
Yeah, he didn't even ask me.
ये तो नेक्स्ट लेवल
सब थियरी गया
ये तो सब नेक्स्ट
सब
लेवल
कचरे में
सब तेरी गया
वो बोला सब गया everyone was telling that you forced Ravi to take
No.
I was guessing कि you
I did not take because that bowler is good. For right hand it's good. He will take wicket now. Age जाएगा.
नहीं जाएगा
नहीं जाएगा कुछ नहीं जाएगा
तेरा line है.
इसका टीम में जाएगा
लेकिन तू बोलता है तो कुछ होता है तो लास्ट मैच में आके बोला ये देख अभी आने ही जाएगा एंड नेक्स्ट बॉल योगा
नहीं जाएगा नहीं बोला.
यार that was my call
मैंने बोला अनि समोसा देखे क्या है उसको चाहिए था.
उसको चाहिए था देख अभी आ रहा है नेक्स्ट बॉल और नेक्स्ट बॉल पे आउट हो गया
बेगल
हां वो सही था और
मी बोलत होतो ना की तू घेतला असेल वर रवि बोलेल की नको बट डबल माइंड जर परत जोरात मारायला
घेतच नाही ना मी इतकं दिसत मी मारायला गेलो आउट होतो.
तो आता मारायलाच गेलास ना आपल्याला
या
अरे आता मी असं
रवि ने बोला पावर प्ले रवि को
नहीं बोला नहीं उसने डिक्लेअर भी कर दिया बताया भी.
अभी मारेगा
श्रीकांत फुल कॉन्फिडेंस अभी
चल वहां पे क्या हुआ
कॉन्फिडेंस
कितना मारा श्रीकांत
लेकिन वो बॉलर इजी था रे मेरे लिए इजी था.
15 से ऊपर शायद
समोसा बच गया रे बोलेगा आज समोसा लेना पड़ेगा
अब भी मारेगा
वाइड
अरे यार इसको भी वाइट डाल.
तेरा वो
ये मैंने बोला अभी बोला ना
अरे
तेरा लाइन डालता है.
गाइस कॉल नीरा
one more
white plus 2
कितना हुआ टोटल?
8+2
वेंट इन द ग्रास
3 whites 38 वहां पे क्या हुआ
नॉट में मुझे पता नहीं था. मैंने क्लियरली नो बोला था लेकिन तू पहुंच गया.
बट यार
नहीं रे मैं नहीं पहुंचता.
मैं डेंजर इन में आ रहा हूं आई वाज गोइंग ऑन द
फ्लो भी दिया राइट देखा ना तुमने पहुंचा नहीं.
नहीं वो आने के बाद थ्रू
डेंजर एंड वुड हैव बीन दिस साइड ये बोल
बट फॉर फ्यूचर लाइक
हाँ, लेकिन वो सीधा हाथ में था ना मैं सीधा हाथ में स्लो जा रहा था.
अरे जस्ट मतलब पहले बॉल को भी देखो और बैट्समैन को
दोनों भागते हैं सेम टाइम हो जाता.
मिल रहा था ये जब तक
लेकिन एक क्लियर है एक बंदा ना बोलता तो मत लो रन है तू भी मत लो. ये बंदा नहीं बोलते.
मेरा ग्राउंड में आई कैन नॉट टर्न बैक मैं रुक के पीछे नहीं आ पाऊं
एंड स्टिल यू आर टेकिंग
तुम्हारा शॉट बहुत बढ़िया जाता है यार.
वेल प्लेड
ग्रेट शॉट
अभी इसका कितना बॉल हुआ है
अभी पावर प्ले है.
सारे वाइड में
प्ले वेस्ट हो गया
3 बॉल
ये बॉलिंग पे
बट 6 रन आ गया है
ये 3 बॉल से
वाइड दिया
से रिका
वाइट पे दिया है ना.
देन फाइन देन वी
6 रन आ गए. 6 रन आ गए.
ऐसे आ जा
5 रन
उसके लिए पावर प्ले नहीं
वो टेढ़ा डालता है यार टेढ़ा ऐसे.
फर्स्ट 2-3 बॉल
अरे वो मॉन्टी नहीं डाल रहे वो ये सब क्या
मुझे लगा मैं ऐसे बॉल आउट होता है तो छूटने दो. मेरा गार्ड मिस हो गया.
शॉट रेडी
ए नो नो नॉट गोइंग.
जा रहा
गया
ग्रेट शॉट
ग्रेट शॉट परवाल अल्लाह
शॉट रवि.
रवि
42 guys
ओके मॉर्निंग मैच 68. मॉर्निंग मैच
यहां पे
only 68 total
42
सीक्वेंस आ गया
इससे तो कितना बॉल टाइम
हाँ सर. नहीं हमने थोड़ा सा पीछे लिया लेकिन जैसे हमने 4 फील लिया.
68 चेज हो गया
चालू हो गई
जिसके हाथ में
या प्लीज डोंट डू दैट इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट मैन
ஏய் சொல்லிட்டோம்பா
Okay, okay. Done. See. Be called. Be told.
घर में के मजा आजा सभी
इभी வந்துருங்க வாங்க வாங்க
आजा 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 घर बाद में जाओ
Okay. Umpire.
इभी वांगे सीपी
This was extra ball. Indeed, don't take umpire home. It's a score.
Then what happened? Was extra ball?
हर ओवर के बाद
What's the score?
Because it's too far.
What's the score? Score.
What a show.
Siddharth, okay. Hey, bowler name Siddharth. Who's scoring? Bowler name Siddharth.
42 सुनना है
They can't hear it.
It's not a ball player. It's not a ball player, right? Why power play की नहीं? Not a power play.
What a bowling bar.
Came back from camping 3 a.m. last day, and then I had to go to the function at 10 a.m.
अरे वो हम लोग
उसके लिए मैं 10:30 पहुंचा 12:30 निकला Sierra National Forest
ये हमारा है क्या? नहीं डिलीट नहीं यार, वो एंगल नहीं है इसका.
बोलो
बढ़िया खेल रहा था यार.
ऐसे वो ट्यूब लगा दिया था
और वो भी कैच गया था, मैंने डिफेंड किया था. नहीं क्लोज ही कैच गया.
three places for your notification.
आपका ना वो
Today I'm going to play Khiladi.
swing shots are really good. You don't when you don't play across, when you try to cut right, you have to select the balls that you're trying to pass. You try to cut only the balls that are not in the stump.
मैं ऐसे
Or not.
I missed the guard.
नहीं guard भी miss कर गए.
I thought even if I leave it, even if I didn't play, not even go.
That's what I
But it was on the stump, I can see.
but you know those are good for fifth stump, sixth stump ball because you know it's way out. Anyway,
I thought same thing. It was on 6 or 7.
आपका ये shot सब बढ़िया है.
Offside also hit nice shot.
Yeah, nice shot.
ऑफसाइड मारा ही नहीं मैंने.
Gap तो आता मार दो, gap नहीं मारा.
Sierra National Forest.
वहाँ पे कोई है ही नहीं यार. ये क्या पावर प्ले है? सभी अंदर है. एक ही बार है, 2 बार है.
मेरे power play नहीं है. सब लोग ने चिल्ला रहे. Play well boys.
Like I got 2 days to camping.
Playing well.
1.5 day because of coming here.
अच्छा.
Oh man.
Got it. Wider.
It's before the stands, man.
Hey, before the stands, he tried to hit.
Don't talk. It's okay. Don't talk.
यहाँ से
हमारा हो गया.
हमारे साथ भी.
अनलेस कुछ रिश्ता बनाना है तो नहीं है. But actually,
Won't change a wide call. वो out का call भी फिर भी एक बार सोचेगा. Wide call क्यों सोचेगा वापस?
Before the release, I think wide moves with the back.
no, but not.
Yeah, same.
बोलना नहीं उसको बोलना कि अगली बार कुछ ऐसा बोलना कि लाइन तो बोलो 30-40 रन बन जाए.
That's okay. What's there?
अरे निरंजन should play
Of all players, Niranjan has the temperament.
43. Huh?
Of all players, Niranjan has the temperament. So he can.
मुकुंद
ये ऐसे क्यों मार रहा है?
निरंजन एंड मुकुंद.
मुकुंद शेल में जाता है.
हाँ मुकुंद शेल में आता है निरंजन की स्कोरिंग एटलीस्ट 3-4
No, सुहास
क्या
है.
बोलते हैं बॉल लेना एकदम टूट जाएगा तो आउट ही होगा.
नीचे ही.
Just shout the score. 43. Umpire. 43. Umpire.
We can score the runs next over. not the match where you are getting stuck.
That one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Take shuttle, man. 2 rupees.
Yeah, I will take it. I'll leave the rest to you. मैं तो 10-11 सुभाष का घर नहीं वहाँ तक जाने की सुभाष का
bowler name.
ये दोस्त चल लो
Mahantesh, okay.
अरे वहाँ से क्यों रे यहाँ से
ये कौन सा तो अभिषेक आंगरी का नहीं है उधर महंतेश इज अ सेकेंडरी yeah he plays for that RCB team
RCB.
what man
Hey, how's your feeling?
next to
I totally forgot. You asked. No, about RCB winning.
how was it feeling finally as soon as their primary team, whatever the results or it got lost in, I think everybody focused to the secondary team. They're saying this, we want this guy to win instead of this guy. Got it!
They bowled a lot of extras. I think the pitch is a little like.
I feel the last game already qualified.
Oh really?
They did 7 games of out of 9. What? Yeah, they won 7 out of 9. Yes, yeah, needed.
First ball wide, no?
Wide.
They lost the last game
நம்ம சூப்பரா ஆடலாம்.
because they qualified.
இல்ல comparatively சொல்றேன் first set of
ஆமா ஆமா.
तब ऐसे ही सब
First எல்லாம் தண்டை.
chance दे रहे हो. They have qualified.
அந்த ஒருத்தன் வந்து யூடியூப் பார்த்து போட்டேன் அவனை தான் போடுறான். அவன் சொன்னான் யூடியூப் பார்த்து போட்டேன்.
How many matches we need?
யூடியூப் பார்த்து வந்திருக்கேன் நான் வந்து
One more, right?
I will swing the ball.
We need both matches to qualify.
Yeah, we need both. Just 2 more matches. Which one is this one?
I think so. There was one more.
Then RR3 also. देखिए RR3 गया. Just 2 more games.
RR3 no
हाँ देखिए ना.
Subhash is saying it.
this guy hit 1-4 and that's it but playing up long
They wanted to play. Camp again.
Ravi plays up, then we are.
Yeah.
रवि बाद में
आपका ग्राउंड है. You guys
कभी सिर्फ बॉल देखता है वो. बॉल अच्छा आया मारेगा.
got it
Thank you.
lot of
நம்ம ரன்ஸ் அடிக்காமலே வைட்லயே ரன்ஸ் வருது. நம்ம வைட் போடாம இருந்தாலே போதும்.
तो ध्यान रखो जो बॉलिंग डाल रहा है.
ஆமா. 46 ஆ
45
ऑफ साइड ट्राई कर रहा है.
क्रॉस मारेगा
ऑफ साइड ही ट्राई कर रहा है.
How many overs?
8.4
One wicket.
Three down.
மண்ணே அடிக்கலையா ஒன்றும்
This is what I feel. 8 balls, 1 run caught. If he starts collecting runs, by the end of the game, he will be on target.
players there.
I know what Ankit is saying, right?
No, I
You
understand.
can't like
No, that I get it.
then you can't be like, oh, you're.
Hey, score.
Score 46
See, but if you look at it, right, he's not like defending all balls. He's trying to play
He's
the
trying
end
to.
end.
But
So,
he's okay with that. But he, like I've told him also that let batsmen play their natural game.
But now, right, if he gets out the next one,
But he's okay with it.
no, if he looks at the scorecard,
Oh yeah. If you look at the score,
Yeah,
it
bowling
doesn't
power
look
play,
good.
bowling power play.
Yeah.
all I'm saying is like scorecard doesn't pay.
Yeah.
Bowling part play?
Bowling bowler name
Scorecard will never bend the
Yeah.
picture, right? Like it's very, it's a very cruel judgment.
bowling power play all three are
the same thing if
Yeah, why is the
Mukund was
bowling
playing.
power play 3 people?
If Mukund was playing, then he will play the.
Let Tarang run faster. Confuse the batsman.
If Mukund plays, he plays the defense.
Yeah, Mukund, yeah.
Same like Niranjan, right?
No,
Niranjan starts hitting and like.
see, that's what I'm saying. Like, you know, if he starts playing, there's like two scenarios, right? And next 10 balls he scores 20 runs. He'll be on course. Like, next ball if he gets out. On paper,
Four out.
Nice one, boys.
4 from the bat end.
Ravi, I trust you first.
50 up.
Yeah, 50 up, guys. 50 up.
49, no?
Is the 10th over, right?
Yeah, this is the 10th. Yeah, 10th over, don't give your wicket. That's it.
Keep your wicket, guys. 10th over.
So Niranjan gets frustrated every time he misses. Hits and we hit.
So Niranjan knows to play different balls.
He used to play out everything.
Wide.
नहीं जब से 4 easy 4 easy 2 easy 2
அவங்க பார்க்க மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க.
फील्डर यहीं पे है। ये तरंग क्या कर रहा है?
हे तरंग
कर क्या रहा है?
कार्तिक घुसेगा सीधा
तीन लोग क्यों है? बोल के
बिना पूछे घुस गया
मैं सोचा वो इधर आ रहा था।
वाओ बैटिंग डूड
10 रन हो गया, अभी 50 मारेगा।
54 ना எல்லாத்துக்கும் I mark everything and then I mark again.
रानी अगर स्कोर कर रहा है
So either one shot or one.
मुझे ना मनन याद आता है.
See, usually I am the one who got control, but now.
white ball
White.
easy 2 यार
Easy.
लतारजी का पண்றீங்க.
Wide is like thinking 3 times a
वाइड नहीं
day.
दिया।
Wide or by?
By or wide?
बैट
Bat.
जीरो बैट हु केयर 10
Give it back.
यानी buy or wide
By or wide?
बैट है?
Bat. Okay.
good shot
Bat ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿರಂಜನ್ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು.
So he can check. Even he is friend. There's only one behind.
Just to he'll come back.
कर क्या रहा है?
For the way he's bowling all short balls. I don't know why you have a long run.
He just put it.
No. He bowls short. Like good length balls. See? Like why do you even have a long run fielder for this?
easy 2 easy 2
Easy to.
good running
Good running.
पानी का है। There is the water bottle.
No.
नहीं,
Break.
अभी आएंगे, अंदर आएंगे।
They'll come.
I don't know why would you intervene
Wait, one ball.
Four
round.
Now our ball is
second inning
Equal होने तो फिर sit they'll hit more.
होगा चला गया निरंजन का अच्छा मारेगा ऑफ साइड पे एकदम लॉफ्टेड बॉल
अभी अंदर आएगा ना वो मारेगा. He has that shot.
he has a cover
नहीं, but see, after all this, right? If he bowls a fuller ball, then I think he's not the bowler.
One outside.
He shouldn't bowl full. He should bowl the same length.
good length
Yeah.
अरे नहीं good on.
बढ़िया shot, boy. बढ़िया shot.
easy 2 boy
Easy to that. Not running the first one. That's fine. 58.
58. Good batting, boys.
58.
I think one batting, one bowling.
What's like the average? Two batting?
नहीं one batting, two bowling. तीन batting.
break la break break
Two batting, one
Remaining. I didn't listen to what they said.
So like two batting, one bowling.
general I'm saying
Great batting, guys. Great batting.
Batting boys.
Excellent batting, guys.
Nice batting boys.
Guys, drink enough water.
Yeah, tension आरेंगे.
இல்ல ஒரே that one ball was like a over pitch ball and close to the wide line. Everybody was trying to hit that ball.
He did score your butt. You would have scored and you would have also scored.
Take this out. No, you need to take this out.
No, but that's tape, right?
It'll make the sound. I'll cut it.
You want to play here?
अरे अजरेन एक्चुअली तूने स्ट्रेट रखा है ना
थोड़ा सा उधर रख
स्टोन के पास रखे
मुझे बाउंड्री वॉल दिख गया बोल्ड
After a long time, I'm very confident about it. This has
think about it.
it doesn't have that.
If you get a full toss,
Some people like that. I don't like that.
you will try to hit.
Irrespective of what
You try to hit.
But if those are like.
But isn't the grip sharp? There are good balls for coming on the
No, I wear that glove.
Just block it. If it's going way outside,
I have
don't try to nick it right.
there.
Because,
It's easier
don't try
for
to
me
hit
to-
like that because you'll touch your edge. और क्या होता है ना कि stick और usually like
For my
momentary
swing,
it will just take away your wicket and then you have to wait for one more week to get back in. So that's what players do all the
Maybe
Like I'll play those balls
what's his name?
over the stump or
Tarangs maybe.
if it's not
Not Tarangs.
because then the team needs me to like what I said. Good length balls will come your chest length.
Show him that bat.
See this one, this is also very good.
Yeah, ये केला हूँ.
अभी बोल रहा हूँ मैं सारा बैट अमेजिंग बोल रहा है सिवाय मेरा बैट.
I said your bat is good.
Not a pass.
This is a good bowler.
ये देखो
One over.
वो भी वाइड में है.
He didn't he come late?
Yeah.
Can you bowl?
Yeah, you can. ये बहुत
ये बघा कळला नाही ते हँडलर त्यामुळे मग सर
Hey, you can play those balls.
Yeah, you hit that guy. First ball just walked around casually and hit around three. That's what I'm saying. Like your runs are separate and this guy's runs are separate. You both should have scored.
and he came
What a shot, boy! What a shot!
Easy
and he
two
came
boys,
and told me
easy
first
two.
easy two. No risky.
Arey,
I know. But what was the
You have been in form for a while.
Okay.
For a few years.
panic, yeah?
It's just that you don't play. Only one game I think you got out.
So dot 2, right?
This tournament.
play with him like this bat. He told me to play with him.
You got out.
2 games. In a row.
All is recorded over here. See?
Oh my God!
Yeah.
No, that is
We love you, man.
When they upload, right? Really.
Yeah.
Put a link to the time.
Thank you, Ankit.
then the puka आगे front
I think we have always played with intent. The only thing is like when we got into a shell from defending, that is the problem.
Opening is the only thing that goes to shell. Everyone else plays.
बातें रहते हैं। फिर वो लगता नहीं है ना। अभी जैसे खेल रहे हो वैसे हर गेम खेल रहे हैं।
बॉल पुराना होने के बाद फिर भी बेटर लगता है।
बॉल पुराने होने के लिए मारना पड़ता है।
कनेक्ट भी तो होना चाहिए।
कनेक्ट होना
अगर मारा ही नहीं तो क्या पुराना होगा?
ग्राउंड कितना करेगा तो
मैं कल शॉट मारा मस्त शॉट पे बॉटम पे लगा और ये भी गिरा जस्ट फेल देयर ओनली नो यूज ओल्ड बॉल
the same over out simple होता है।
कनेक्ट इन द मिडल
On the stump you'll have to block it.
But you can still come forward.
just gone and you want to slog
Full
it
toss हो जाएगा।
but 1 in 10 matches
Niranjan's natural game at least.
wait Niranjan play your game Niranjan
60.
ये जो खेल रहा हूँ निरंजन क्या स्टाइल है trying to hit every ball
नहीं this one this over yes this match
Why is it?
He's trying to hit
The
a bounce
other thing I was telling is I think I told you last like don't think कि अरे कोई और है तो मारने वाला है कोई नहीं आता साले हमारा गासलेट का लाइन लग जाता है
Ranjit can hit under the bat over shot, right? Right now he can stay 2 steps ahead so that it will come under the bat.
तो थोड़े
पिछले गेम में मगन थे।
not a fast man.
I waited for the power play. पहले बॉल में आउट हो गया power play।
You played your
oh
game.
man yeah
पूरा 4 overs है यार।
20 runs easily we could have
And we could have won that.
Last game, right?
Last game was
पहले power play पहले बॉल में
20 runs we could have had.
That one guy that.
But then when Subraya came I was like yaar whatever we get is bonus only 2 wickets left
Subraya had a groin again.
yeah he also had a cross.
आया अपना टीम से खेल रहा है।
What you want to bat?
That was a practice ball.
CB a bat लाना
ना practice तो अदल इधर लड़ना।
मैं एक ही बॉल खेला
oh practice ball you mean you got it from the field
Yeah.
okay that's what practice ball you doing practice
केतन ने अच्छा खेला लेकिन केतन
मैंने मैं भी मारने गया lofted off drive मैंने
तेरा बॉलिंग मस्त रहा है।
ऊपर डालना तुम्हारा शॉट वो ओवर में नहीं मारना चाहिए
वीडियो डाला था
जो तू आउट हुआ ओवर में उस
हाँ वो सुब्रा को डाला हाँ वैसे डालना 3
बॉल ऐसे ही डालने का
बाकी की भी 3 डालना
नहीं पाएगा
शॉट चेस पे लगा क्या उसके रवि के तो 6 छूटे थे उसमें हमेशा ब्लैक मैजिक क्या है
hey fielder name
नहीं जस्ट फील्डर ने
जो प्लेयर ग्राउंड शॉट मारते हैं वो लोग ने होने नहीं मारा
जो उसके चेस्ट पे गिरा क्या अभी
हाँ इधर से ही
नहीं चेस्ट नहीं चेस्ट लगा था
ऐसा ऐसा खेला ना
क्लीन नहीं लिया
आई थिंक इट डिडंट टच द स्वीट स्पॉट थोड़ा ऊपर लगा बैट
ಇವರು ನಗಂತ ಅಂದ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಡಿಸಿದ
ಬಾಲ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಫ್ போட்டான் ஐ வாஸ் வெயிட்டிங் டு ப்ளே இந்த ஷாட் இங்க வந்துருச்சு சரி இங்க நான் ஸ்ட்ரைட் தான் ஆடணும் ஐ ஹேட் டு கோ திஸ் வே ஆனா அது பேட் வாங்கி
बट इट वाज the ball touched the upper part of the bat right
the wind is like this way
you guys are trying a little harder than
yeah then wanted needed
no this guy the guy who's bowling before this he is good so he will only get like 4 hours more
than 6 for
3 runs ana power play la 3 will return but the problem is this guy is pickable he's bowling on the body if you move out and like hit you can hit
who is there to hit
Adrian. That's what I'm saying. Like in our team, we cannot hit the next guy. Next guy is not hitting.
yeah that's it
Once we get into the groove,
stay
my intention was not to like bowl out here
but nice batting
hey good shot yeah excellent shot
you were fine actually. Niranjan was trying to hit everything.
because he got frustrated the previous over because that bounce was little
you told someone to play exactly the same
सौरभ का फर्स्ट बॉल था ये सौरभ getting off the mark is very good 6 for 1 right
निरंजन को इस टीम में लाया क्योंकि उसको थोड़ा फ्रीली खेलना था, DCA में वो कैप्टन था, तो he would bat from like first ball to last ball.
Very nice, Niranjan. Aggressive.
Easy to
Yeah, Niranjan can.
Saurabh said stop and he's running.
Yeah, he stopped. He's thinking. He's doing all this nonsense around his man. Quarterfinals, Pushkar and we were going cruising very nicely. You were there, right? You guys scored in there. We were cruising nicely and took a cheeky run. And
Oh yeah, I remember. That was the game.
oh, you were also there.
Yeah.
I got out the first ball. Second innings.
I think I was counting that. That's the only match where you got out. Otherwise, your form is going good since last year.
Well played, boy.
I thought this guy would be fast first. Like his ball is coming slow. He plays for RCB.
They changed to Ducks.
After they changed, they won.
Second tournament. Yeah, boundary.
One more.
Wait. Mira is not running now.
What?
Now also the ball hit directly on the stump.
64!
64 and 10.
Again, just pick your areas. I think like, the wind is like completely against.
That is in my
Area, yeah. Should I try your shot?
right.
Is it also
Try in the practice.
So you are saying that it's going that way?
Yeah, it is going behind.
This
Yeah, they will mess up.
But you have to remember.
You have to be, you have to be confident also. If you lose, you are.
Once I go to bat, I forget to shuttle.
Let's see that.
No, nothing.
Off spin.
He's been bowling us.
गलत मारना सर.
मस्त है यार. ये मारेगा ही.
तू लेफ्टी नहीं है वो.
You scored like 11 runs.
नहीं फिर भी मारेगा ही. इसलिए नहीं. वो बैट के नीचे रहता है इसलिए. बैट के नीचे रहता है.
Very good. Not for IT, right? लेफ्टी के लिए वो.
But this is vacant.
वो यहाँ पे भी मिस हो गया ना तो यहाँ पे लगता है.
हाँ, but तुझा बॉडी पण है ना.
Yeah, it's too much over there.
Yes, it is behind.
It's okay, Nira.
It's okay, Neera. Runs आएगा.
एक सेकंड वेट करना है.
Connect.
Score in the next over. हाँ, वही out है.
वही मारेगा.
Third umpire. Out.
They are asking caught behind.
Caught with him.
Did you tell him to like?
I told him keep calm because he was getting. Niranjan, paravaala, பொறுமையா ஆடலாம். Only 13th over. I told him that over also don't go for anything. This over is going to go low.
It's not his style.
Yeah, I mean, I've never
Because
seen him play
that guy
very big shots.
No, that guy's
In
ball
his
is pitching
entire
here and
innings.
coming here. How the hell are you supposed to play that like
Yeah, you can't.
watching it to the last? And Niranjan's style is also going in the front foot, so he will be caught most of the time there.
ये इंस्टा में सब एक चपरी लोग
यार इसको मार सकते हैं यार.
ऐसे मार के.
गया वाइड बॉल.
Wide.
Thank you.
Niranjan और second काम பண்ணிட்டு ஆடலாம். 1 எடுத்துட்டு ஆடலாம் அடுத்த ஓவர்.
Yesterday that guy Senthil was telling me to chill. But every ball is coming in the slot. When I'm placing it, it's hitting the middle. They're trying to swing, it's going under.
What a
shot!
shot!
Hey, not going.
I think the
It was like,
problem.
chill, like take your time, chill. Like for correcting. It's like, what do I do?
This was perfectly in his slot.
In यार पे यार.
Yeah, pick that lofted off.
One to go.
When he's trying to hit too hard, he's missing the ball.
He's all मारायला जाणार आहे.
Because the balls are not in his zone.
Another case
Are they getting a little frustrated?
No.
Last week.
This is how they play. This is how they have played. Last game also with them.
They want to put pressure on
What's the score?
67. 67. Umpire.
That's not umpire.
ये वाला यहाँ पे ये वाला.
दोनों अंपायर पास में.
अंपायर
What's the score?
67.
रुक आने दो.
13
हो सकता है.
13 then.
13. 7 to go.
but we are 58
Yeah, we are 58.
67.
3 ओवर में 9 रन है.
நிரா
Bowling अच्छा कर रहा है तो
பொறுமையா ஆடலாம் ஆட அடிக்க தேவையில்ல டைம் மட்டும் பண்ணா போதும்
over if you are scoring in भी चलेगा. Chill, Mira, playing well.
Mira. इनमें 7 ओवर.
Don't do butterfly.
100% sure he's very mellow usually his voice is like there
Yeah, calm down.
Bowling में आएगा वो यूज नहीं होता.
Karthik is apparently calm.
We had one guy in FLT, PCA.
They're apparently calm today.
No, it will get it out during bowling. अभी यूज नहीं है ना.
He used to whack sixes. Oh, nice one.
ఏంటా unnecessary or not
Hey, nice.
risky வேணா
बैट नहीं मारा.
Okay. Hey, fielder.
ஒன்றா
नहीं पता. ಇಲ್ಲ 1 run power play लेते हैं.
Power play.
Not power play.
no not
No, he won't because they'll bowl batting part. He'll bowl batting.
he's bowling batting
All his overs have been same field.
को ऐसे आउट मत करो.
निरंजन get out है.
No, he won't.
Bold नहीं होगा. That's something that
He will not
Last
get
two games he's got bold.
Then will get bold because his stumps are close to the leg
Last two games he's got bold.
no ball odla no ball
Hey, dropped it. He dropped it anyway.
no ball
Got it.
No plus on that.
nice shot Niranjan
Not a free hit, right?
no
70.
Hey, Saurav is playing well today. What did he do?
just told him to go and protect you won't get your chance to like, get settled and all
இது ரிவர்ஸ் ஸ்வீப் பண்ணி இப்படி தள்ளி முடியுதா?
அவரே அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்காரு பால் எங்க இருந்தது
Saurabh को बस इतना मतलब
ரவி சொன்ன மாதிரி 12 ரன் இங்கே வந்துரும் போல இந்த ஓவர்ல வந்துரும் போல இருக்கு.
बस बॉल को बचाए.
Last time you think 100.
कैसे अजीब शॉट मार के आउट हुआ?
हाँ, अरे वो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है उसको.
कनेक्ट
स्पेशली विद क्रिम्पे इसका अब भी खेल रहा हूँ इतने सालों के बाद.
भागो. See, they have
Going.
போறா இல்லையா
नहीं 2 runs.
Run hard, guys.
nice
So he's also
Like,
Is it a bye?
2 by 2 by.
जो सारे बॉल कनेक्ट करता है.
हाँ.
Got it. Hey, boys, guys.
Thank you.
2 buys.
Got it.
feels like he's not played tennis ball at all.
He's not played. He's playing after a very long time.
Very long time.
सब वो जॉर्ज पेज में ऐसे टाइम पास के लिए आया था ऐसे.
हाँ,
So he came for practice.
प्रैक्टिस के लिए आया था. और वो like he wants to play.
You don't have to do it. The ball might go down.
He's trying to come to the ball rather than waiting the ball.
Played. Good shot, Saurabh.
Good running.
Good shot.
Nice one.
This is a good strategy.
देखो वैसे
बॉल का भरोसा नहीं है.
हाँ, यहाँ पे बॉल का भरोसा नहीं है.
पिच चलेगा तो हो सकता है.
Well played. Good runs, guys.
Played 6 and scored 4.
Very good.
Played 4, scored 3. पर वो अच्छा कर.
மேலே வரணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இப்போ இவரு இல்ல யாராவது போனாங்க அடிக்கிறவங்க போனா கண்டிப்பா மேல இவெல்லாம் ஸ்டார்ட்ல அடிச்சிடலாம்.
பேட்டிங் பார்ட் இல்ல இவனா பின்னாடி ரன் போனாதான் உண்டுன்னு எனக்கு
இல்ல இவன் எதுவுமே வேடி பண்ணலடா.
பவுன்ஸ் இவனுக்கு தானா ஆகுது இந்த பிட்ச்ல
போய் அண்ணா அடிக்கலாம்.
he's going hard into the pitch wherever it has like inconsistency it's bouncing the ball
Can't you walk down the pitch in it because the keeper is way behind anyway.
but pace is
No, you have to walk down. Yeah, but it's a hit or miss. Right? It's a hit or miss.
எனக்கு என்னவோ ஷார்ட் பால் போடுன்னு தோணுது இந்த பால்.
இல்ல அவனுக்கு ஒரே லைன்ல குட் லைன் he will not pull a shot.
shot yeah do that easy do
மெதுவா போய் ஓடுறாரு அவரு.
That was risky.
No, I think he wants.
No, it was good. It was good.
No ball.
It's a no ball. Free hit, right?
Oh, okay.
So no free hit. तो क्या free hit के पीछे है?
Oh, he gave no ball.
No ball.
He gave no ball.
No ball plus 2 ball batter.
Wait, let them come. Umpire, no ball confirm.
12 ஆனா எரிச்சலா இருக்கு.
நல்லா குடுங்கடா டேய். ஏய் ரவி போய் பேசிட்டு வாடா.
Even वो
Did he water?
ஏய் நீடா தண்ணி வேணுமா? ஏண்டா.
There's no rule.
I don't know.
I don't think there's any rule.
कीपर के एग्जैक्टली पीछे मतलब लाइन स्टंप के लाइन पे कोई नहीं रुकता। अरे शो स्कोर नहीं क्यों?
I'm doing good man. You can't stand in the stump to end vertical.
Hey.
Isलिए there is no player always.
But ICC rule है ऐसा तो
Behind is okay. See, behind is okay. Front problem क्या है? Side
Hey, can someone check the rule?
பின்னாடி நின்னா no ball and check பண்ணுவாங்க.
नहीं यार
front में रह सकता है. You know that.
He can exactly stay in the ball. Can someone check?
நான் உள்ள போட்டேன் எல்லாத்தையும்.
So you want to wait?
No. ஏய் ஸ்ரீகாந்த் இருக்க பாரு. ஸ்ரீகாந்த்.
But ball रुकने पड़ेगा.
ஏய் அவன் ஆட ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டான்.
Guys, do you want to wait?
Well played, Niranjan.
ये वाला boss है.
Good running boys.
अरे 5 साल है ओवर में दे.
मैं भागा यार, आप में ही भागे.
75, 76 है.
14 up. Hey, in this guy's over we got 8.
76 ओवर नहीं हुआ.
இன்னும் ஒண்ணும் முடியல.
आज एवढा डिफरेंट होता.
Good going, Saurabh.
डबल लिया ना वो भी रुक के लिया. ये भी बोल रहे थे कहते ये रुक के मारा.
Playing great.
Ketan lost 1 or 2?
Last one.
नॉर्मली वो
Ketan like 14 overs up. 14.
इसके बाद 14 years.
13 मतलब
मैं कल भी बोला
13.5 right?
टीसीए के कैप्टन को भी बोला अरे श्रीकांत को मिस किया. तो जो डॉट बॉल होता है वो भाग के रन वाला.
बोलते हैं मुझे होता नहीं है.
This is the one ball he got right in this over.
वो नहीं कर सकता.
In Niranjan's over.
76. आजकल क्या हो रहा है वो तो माइंड भाग रहा है तो बॉडी उधर.
Playing well, Niranjan.
माइंड भाग रहा है विकेट के बाद बॉडी भी.
आज मस्त खेल रहा था. मुझे आज समोसा खाना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा वो उसने
4 power plays.
हर ओवर के बाद
4 power plays.
Yeah.
3 left.
3
2 batting and 1 bowling.
अभी ओवर
14 है ना.
14 up 6.
सिर्फ 2 रन
14 वर्सेस स्कोर
76 बढ़िया स्कोर है.
Hey, water இருக்கா நிரஞ்சன் சௌரப் ரெண்டு பேரோட வாட்டர் வேணா கொடுங்க.
I have 2 bottles.
अमित
No, but do you know what is that?
आपण तिकडे पर्यंत गेलो भरून आला.
46 runs like 50 missed CB.
46 runs like 50 missed.
எங்க?
இங்கதான்.
இப்போ
ए नो कितने वाले सर.
So no 8 run 8 run. 8 के 9 bowler कौन है?
மகந்தேஷ் செகண்டரி.
अरे गाइस व्हाई
பிச்சில பெருசா ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல.
பயங்கரமா நீங்க நம்மளும் அடி வாங்குவோம் பட் ஆனா 90 குள்ள
ஸ்லோ பால் அந்த ஆள் போட்டான்ல அது வந்து ஸ்லோ ஆச்சுனா பயங்கரமா பவுன்ஸ் ஆகுது. பவுன்ஸ் ஜெனரேட் பண்ணுது.
அப்படியே நிக்குது அங்க அப்படியே போட்டான்.
இந்த பிட்ச்ல ஃபீல்டிங் பண்ணனும். சரிங்களா? ரெண்டாவது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா லைன் அண்ட் லெங்த் பக்காவா இருக்கும்.
Batting बता ठीक है.
இல்ல நான்
I feel நம்ம bowling is much better than
இல்ல நம்ம ஸ்டார்டிங் என்ன பண்ணோம்னா காத்து இந்த சைடு அடிக்குதுல ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா இந்த 3 ஃபீல்டர் வச்சுட்டு ஃபுல்லாவே போறீங்க. பால் அவன் நேரா அடிக்கட்டும் மேல கையில ஒரு லாங் ஆன் லாங் ஆஃப்ல மாறி.
கடைசி வரைக்கும் அப்படியே இருக்கணும். இங்க பாருங்க நான் பாக்குற வரைக்கும் இப்படி கிராஸ்ல போற மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா அப்படி வரல.
அதான் இல்ல போகுது பட் பின்னாடி அடிக்க முடியாது. ஃபுல்லா போட்டா பின்னாடி அடிக்க முடியாது என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும். சோ நல்லா எனக்கு முதுகுல அடிச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன் நான் நான் ஸ்ட்ரைக்ல நின்ன வரைக்கும்.
कहीं के लिए जरूरत नहीं है.
சௌரவ் வேகம் ஓடல. ஆனா
அவர் ஓடுறாரு.
वो मिस हो.
நான் தான் ஸ்ரீகாந்த் காட்டிட்டு இருக்கேன். பாருங்க எப்படி ஓடுறாரு.
அங்க பாருங்க
சின்ன பையன் எப்படி ஓடுறான்.
हर ओवर में
அனிருத் பாதி பிச்சுக்கு போயிட்டு திரும்பி வர பார்த்தா முடியாது.
முடிஞ்சு கூட அன்றா அவன் பார்த்துட்டு அங்க போய் அவனும் உள்ள போயிட்டான். அப்பவே தெரிஞ்சது சரி ஓகே இதுக்கு மேல
முடிச்சிட்டாங்களா?
உன்னோட 11 ரன் தான் அவன் அடிச்சிட்டான் அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த ஓவர்ல.
இல்ல அணி வந்து சொன்னாரு 20
Because he's showing his hands.
கண்டிப்பா நான் எனக்கு I can feel that I can middle a lot of
ஒண்ணுல நிரஞ்சன் ரன் வந்துட்டு தான் இருக்கு.
ஃபார்ம் எனக்கு பொறுத்த எப்படின்னா என்னோட இது பார்க்கும்போது ஜஸ்ட் சொல்றாங்களா அவனுக்கு
சாரி
to the near CB. Because all I could see is but
எனக்கு ஃபுல்லா யார்க் பண்றியா பண்ணிக்கோ கோ and then back it. அதுதான் நான் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கேன்.
is it there too?
What a shot this. Keep running.
Beauty Niranjan
देख के भाग रहा है.
Good one. இந்த மாதிரி பாஸ்டா இல்ல போல இருக்கு ஓடுறது.
இல்ல ரொம்ப நேரமா
प्लस जस्ट रखा और उसके बाद स्टंप पे लगा
30 பால் ஆட்டாரா 30 பால்
आराम से चल के आया था वो बॉल वाला यूज लगा नहीं था
அவர் அங்க நின்னு யோசிச்சு அடுத்த ரன் ஓடுற மாதிரி எனக்கு இருக்கு. செகண்ட் ரன் பாருங்க ஒரு செகண்ட் வெயிட் பண்ணுவார். அது
दो टाइम करेगा नहीं सौरभ not needed.
अरे स्टंप पे लगा
கார்த்திக் எட்ரின் நெக்ஸ்ட்.
अभी बोला ना समट और जागो.
நீங்க ஒரு
जागो बोला मैं बोला कि एक दो टाइम करेगा उठ जाएगा.
சிவி அடி பிரிச்சிடுங்க பழைய சிவி பார்க்கணும்.
சரி அதெல்லாம் யோசிக்காதீங்க. நீங்க இந்த பழைய இது அதெல்லாம் இன்னைக்கு பால் எங்க இருக்கு நேரா அடிக்கணும். ஓவர் இல்லாத கதை.
நான் ஏய் குட் பிளேயிங் குட் பேட்டிங்
ஆனா அன்றே கழித்தா தோனி மாதிரி ரன் அவுட் இருக்குது கரெக்டா சொல்லிட்டீங்க.
सौरभ you are doing so well.
நான் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நினைச்சேன்.
अरे I thought there are so many people.
वो इशू ले रहा था पहले भी चल रहा था उसका एक दो डायरेक्ट हिट मिस हुआ ये वाला तो डायरेक्ट हिट कभी ना कभी
ஒரு நாள் கழிச்சு
गया वेल प्लेड.
நான் சொன்னேன் கார்த்திக் எவ்வளவு சீக்கிரம்
ஏய்,
பேட்டிங்
fielder name?
கார்த்திக் ஓடி ரோட்டேட் ஆயிடுச்சு.
थैंक यू तेजस. नेक्स्ट बैट्समैन
ஏய் ஃபீல்டர் நேம்
ஸ்கோர் என்னடா?
हां गॉट इट.
Anirudh, ask it is here. Bafiraj fielder is
ए हनी 2 balls to go right.
you 2 balls to go
So
479 da
after cut
79
he goes after cut.
Great rotation. That was the thing needed at that time.
Now we are getting so many runs to extra.
Yeah.
The wicket is not easy. Even if you can score around 100.
The problem is it's sticking sometimes, it's bouncing a lot at other time. They just have to goal accordingly.
Ravi gone next.
அவ்வளவு சீக்கிரம்
Adrian is going there.
हाँ नेक्स्ट बॉल सीबी को देता हूँ. सीबी
Hey, CB is also going in. Give it to Suhas.
सीबी is going in.
CB is going after Adrian.
Okay.
So he is
don't give to Srikanth
Don't give it to Srikanth. Not online.
or give it to Saurabh. Give it to Saurabh.
Saurabh, you know.
79
நல்லா ஸ்கோர்
ஈஸியா வரலாம். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இவர்
lot of luck factor here
அடிச்சதெல்லாம்
ஆனா இவனுக்கு அடிச்சாருன்னா அவுட். கார்த்திக் இன்னும் பிடிக்கும்.
இவனுக்கு தானே ஆமா இவன்
கார்த்திக் அப்படி லைட்டா ஆடுறது
Ani,
இல்ல இவன் ஆஃப் ஸ்பின்னர்.
you have to do paper match
can you do?
no I'll do paper
You are doing paper?
yeah I'm score career and
You sit with him. Then. It's very simple.
உள்ள நமக்கு
Or Kedar, give it to me. Next time we can
இது இருக்குன்னு என்ன சொல்றேன்
मैं तो उसके साथ बैठ जाऊँ.
சூப்பர் ஸ்பெஷல் ஸ்கோர் வந்துட்டே இருக்கு.
இல்ல நான் என்ன சொல்ல வந்தேன்னா பெரிய தடவை போறாரு இதோட கஷ்டமா ஏதாவது விட்டுட்டாருன்னா அப்புறம் போச்சு இல்ல அது கரெக்ட் பண்ணி போக
நான் எடுத்து அதை வாங்கி என் ராசியில எல்லாம் அதுல வள வளன்னு விழா ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க. செவரு எவ்வளவு பேரை கா வாங்க போகுது.
ஏய் நீ எப்பறம் ஃபோன் வச்சு இவ்ளோ நல்லா ரெக்கார்ட்
இருக்கான்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
நம்மது அங்க
இல்ல போனஸ் பண்றாங்க சூப்பரா இருக்குதுங்க. நல்லா நம்ம கூட
ஏய் bowler name
அந்த கேமரா
உர்ஜித் நியூ bowler
உண்மையா சூப்பர் தான். ஆனா என்ன பிரச்சனை தெரியுங்களா, அது நீங்க டீமுக்கு வாங்கி போட்டோம்னு வச்சுங்க அதான் சூப்பர். இல்ல நம்ம
டீமுக்கு போனா
டீமுக்கு வாங்கி கொடுத்தாங்க. ஆளு ரெண்டு பேர் ரெண்டு ஃபோன்.
ஏய் பெஸ்ட் என்ன தெரியுமா யூடியூப்ல லைவ் ஸ்ட்ரீமிங் அப்பப்ப கேமரா
but they're not storing that all the data
தப்பு அது எப்பறம் நீ
அது ஆனா மேட்ச் லிங்க் பண்ணனும்ல அத மட்டும் ஆனா எனக்கு இப்ப கூட ஒண்ணு புரிய மாட்டேது எதுக்கு ஒண்ணு போயிடுச்சுனா ஒண்ணு பேக்கப்
அதனால தான் டீம் எல்லாம் கலந்து போறாங்க I don't have that shot only Niranjan I see அதிக ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் கொடுக்கறாங்க
நான் அன்னைக்கு அப்படியே கேட்டேன் உடனே
யாரா இது
அடிக்கலாம் பெருசாலாம் இல்லை.
எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு அவங்க 7 மேட்ச் ஜெயிச்சிட்டாங்கன்னா எம்எல் போனஸே கொண்டு வரணும்.
இல்ல they are playing with their regular team
இந்த டீம் எப்படி 7 மேட்ச் ஜெயிச்சாங்க பேட்டிங்ல ஸ்ட்ராங்கா
this guy is not bowling regularly
Anirudh, why did you get up from there? 4 runs were coming.
yeah
ஏய் நோ பால்
ये प्रणीत नो बॉल
ஏய் நோ புரியமா
अंपायर नो बॉल नॉट अ नो अरे कंधे के ऊपर का सर के ऊपर है मेन अंपायर
நோட் நோ
अरे सर के ऊपर है ना
மேல தான் அடிச்சிருக்கு
बैटिंग कार्तिक कीप गोइंग अगर हमने अपील नहीं किया नहीं इमीडिएट बोला होता तो
problem is if you batting करते हैं
इसमें दिखाई देगा
we have 2 batting bowlers
सॉरी कितना रहता है
they have 1 bowling bowler
2 runs.
சரி அவர் போட்டோ கூட அடிச்சிடலாம் ஒரு சிங்கிள் நிலா எடுக்கிறப்ப அடிக்க சொல்லுங்க பாத்து
இல்ல அதான் அது ஓகே இவர் போட்டு ரன் கம்மியா வந்துச்சுன்னா பிரஷர் ஆயிடக்கூடாது அவங்களுக்கு அதுதான் suddenly the fielding well one run
Will you be going home after this? Like home?
Yeah.
Anywhere else? I'll come with you.
anytime man
எத்தனை வாட்டி they will come one step front back
स्कोर 82
कुछ हुआ है क्या
82
सोया फिर फंक्शन पे गया फंक्शन से वो था ना बेबी का
वो तो तेरे वाइफ ने ड्रॉप किया
बोला निरा पावर प्ले எடுக்கலாம் पावर प्ले எடுக்கலாம் போலாம்
ஏய் கார்த்தி செட் ஆவணும்பா கார்த்தி செட் ஆவணும் கார்த்தி செட் ஆவணும்
மேபி அவருக்கு அதான் தேவையா இருக்கும் எடுக்கட்டும் எடுத்து அவரு
நீ கார்த்தி சொல்லிருக்கோம் ஒரு ஏனா சொல்லுங்க அவர் வந்து கம்ஃபர்ட்டபிளா இல்ல
இல்ல இப்ப லாஸ்ட் 3 hours anyway you and Adrian are going to hit I'm saying now
मार प्ले हां
बैटिंग पार्क ले
बॉलर में
ஏய் திருப்பி அங்க போ
வாடா
क्लोज स्कोर में
वो दिन तेरा अलग मेंटालिटी था मजा आ गया था
सॉरी बैटिंग पावर प्ले
वो दिन मैंने तेरे को ऐसा देखा जैसे तू कभी देखा ही नहीं है तेरे को ऐसे
ஏய் 17 அப்ப 16 அப்ப
16 up 82 for 5 okay it's a batting power play how many power plays
that game was intense. 3 more.
after including this 3 after this 2
ना था
मैटिंग पिच पे आ गया
जाके स्विंग ही करो अभी 4
वो भी मैंने नो बॉल खेलने का दो ही निकाले थे
बॉल जाने दे उसके बाद तो थोड़ा टाइम मिलेगा तो है अभी क्या
वो मैच में वी आर लूजिंग है फिर बाद में जिस लगा था थोड़ा देर जल्दी आ गया हो जाता
उस दिन फर्स्ट फ्यू ओवर्स में भी बहुत रन गए थे लास्ट वीक वाले फर्स्ट 3 ओवर्स में हमारे ऐसे 6 7 8 रन इजीली देते
वही मैं बोल रहा था कि लाइक कवर्स में बाहर रखो वो डबल मारा है he actually we dropped his catch also he finished the game
என்னாச்சு they are fighting within themselves
what is he asking about
பேச கூடாது சொல்டா போய் சொல்டா போடா
yeah I know
எதுக்கு கன்சல்ட் பண்றீங்க இல்ல எதுக்கு கன்சல்ட் பண்றீங்க
what is the
your batsman itself started working out man no he also knows it was a cut
Okay, bhai. He was walking and he landed at the same place. He started. अरे वो black hole में आके वापस वहीं पे आया.
Thank you, we'll take it. We need our days. अपना दिन
बहुत बुरा है हमारा.
अच्छे दिन के कमी हो गए.
अच्छे दिन अच्छे. Oh, nice shot.
Good one, boys.
First run line over.
If we save our runs behind the wicket, I think it should be doable. Yeah, doable. We have a good
bowlers.
because the pitch is uneven.
So he's got a grind pull, so he cannot be the second keeper.
No, I can.
He wants to go with a completely pulled groin. So he'll do everything.
Tomorrow wants to take time off.
no groin.
No housework. That's the main thing, not office work.
What? Hey, easy run. He's not doing it.
84.
Mirror no mirror.
देख ये वाला कैसा था? It is well timed.
But it went straight to the.
Yeah, it is well timed, right? They reach very quickly to that.
The problem is these outfields are like you have no value for these well timed.
Should not run into the hand of keeper.
Exactly. But if you time it that well, it goes so quickly to the fielder, and you start running because you are like, oh, it will clear.
हाँ, but like वो position में नहीं होना चाहिए कि वापस जाने नहीं.
हाँ, exactly. एक दो step ठीक है.
Because I started sleeping. Because the gravel.
Yeah, dude. That was like watching a game or something.
How come he take that man? That
He
too?
missed it. I think. He didn't hit that hard. Adrian, time है अपना खेल. Time है.
कुछ टाइम नहीं जाके
16.5 up.
3 ओवर बचा है खाली.
क्या? 16.5?
3 ओवर बचा है खाली यार.
3.5 up. 3 ओवर मतलब 20 बॉल.
हमारे पास है ना सीबी है.
हाँ. मैं 3 बॉल वाला बंदा नहीं हूँ जो आके ऐसे 2-3 छक्के मारते हैं. मेरे को चाहिए रहता.
84 for 6, 16.5.
अरे एक आध बैठ जाएगा तो आई वोंट बी
बढ़िया शॉट था. I thought it was good.
I thought I'll just clear them. Yeah, it had to go a little higher. And probably the best fielder in the team.
वो हाथ पे अटक गया वो.
क्योंकि बॉल स्पेस में था. बैट भी अच्छा पेस में. I didn't expect him to take it, but it was a good catch.
Was it a miss hit?
प्रॉपर कवर ड्राइव.
नहीं ऊपर उठाया लाइक उठा ना बॉल.
नहीं, I timed it well. I thought the pin pocket. If it misses, it's guaranteed for.
This side. It is this side.
ஈவனை தவிர எல்லாருமே ஓகேவா தான் பார்ப்பாங்க. உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே ஸ்லாட்ல தான் வரும்.
Very good. Just go good length and ball will do it for you.
84
of 17, right?
Yeah.
84.
I saw it.
7 overs.
26 runs.
Wait, in the power play. Wait 1 second, guys.
Power play, take all 3 to power play.
Adrian, power play.
नहीं पता. सीबी रेडी यार किंग.
Power play ya.
84.
निरंजन power play எடுக்கலையா? Okay. No, bowling power play is remaining, so they might take it as what he's saying.
Bowling team, power play.
So that's the thing, right?
Not a power play. Here, after the 10, then we started going back to not doing single double. Like before that, you all were very
Bowler name is
on your toes, and like all the batsmen, whoever had Srikanth.
Veda. Thank you.
There was intent, but also what happens is like sometimes when new batsmen get stuck because they have to get adjusted. Right?
Karthik, I will take your bat.
So that'll always put some slow down on this thing. So if you don't lose wickets, till 15, then you would have made sure that you got that.
Yeah, I think we were at a good place, sir. 10
No, we need
another. It was a very
20 runs.
Should go for 110, 120. Then from here we can get it.
Niranjan 37, 20 of 37. How many overs? 17. 84 for 6.
What a ball, yaar,
That's how the pitch is. So we'll see how they
I think I scored maximum runs on that short third match.
Because of the wind also.
So we'll just aim for
आपका कहाँ रखते हैं यहाँ पे? सिर्फ उसका करेंगे नहीं।
तो डालते जा रहा है क्या? हर बॉलर को उसको डाल रहा है क्या? वो तो बहुत बॉल कर रहा है इधर-उधर।
ये तो
भाग!
नहीं भाग।
है ना
होगा?
कीपर का।
रवि? Guys, ले लेना यार। Stop starting guys, CB. Got back really well.
CB, play with Adrian, please.
Yeah.
We have to keep the wicket. We need to play 20 balls, whatever remaining.
Yeah, we need.
Jason, when you go in, like if City's out in like probably 1 hour or 18 hours, stay there 20 overs, get as many runs as possible. Okay? Close to 100 as possible.
Okay.
Edja.
Yeah.
Oh, appeal only man from them. Did you walk out? Yeah, he walked out. Sorry? Did you walk out? They never appealed on you.
Bowler appeal. I didn't wait for the umpire.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್
It's very difficult to connect on this pitch, man.
21.
இல்ல நீங்க நல்லா ஆடிட்டு இருக்கீங்க நீங்க ரொம்ப ஃப்ரஸ்ட்ரேட் பண்ண மாதிரியே எங்களுக்கு வெளியில இருந்து பார்க்க அப்படி இருக்கு
Yeah, hit on top of the head. Why didn't they give?
Umpire did not see.
No, umpire said it's a rising ball but below the shoulder when it made. So that's why I made a contact and
That's what Adrian also said, that it was rising and you hit it even further up. So that's why it felt like. But I felt it was a
நான் நீங்க உள்ள நவுந்து பிஹைண்ட் லெக் அடிச்சேன்
அதுதான் நான் பண்ண மாட்டேன் போன பால் வந்து நல்ல ஷார்ட் பால் ஓகேவா நான் பவுன்ஸே ஆகல சுத்தமாக பவுன்ஸ் ஆகல
அவுட் ஆஃப்
இல்ல but this pitch man if we hit a good length it's impossible to play. So don't bowl short, don't bowl full. Hit that, keep hitting that good line.
Outside of.
Half the ball you will not
Actually, நம்ம இந்த லாங் அண்ட் லாங் ஆஃப் பால் டிராவல் ஆகும் we can bowl good length and filler we cannot bowl short ஏன்னா அந்த சைடு we cannot
Yeah, that is what. This length is bowling, right? This length you cannot connect. It's very difficult to connect this length. Because one ball goes under your knee, the other ball goes close to your chest.
Because it wasn't the case when we were batting.
probably it's softer than not bouncing
So first few overs will be crucial.
Making a lot of balls.
இல்ல on a difficult wicket அதெல்லாம் பார்க்க கூடாது
Not out. हर बात में
Did you walk away after that one they were calling for sorry for that? They said you walked away and that's why they are appealing. Because you were like walking toward
A lot of steps are backing up.
Why will, I mean that was like 2 meters दूर से गया है ball. Like the best part is the keeper is not appealing. The one next to leg umpire is like gung-ho about it.
CB is getting frustrated. Hopefully we can capitalize on it.
He needs one shot there. That's it.
One connection.
Waiting for us to play. They're not using that level.
No, leg side.
Just walking.
Straight.
It's just sick.
Whatever he can take.
Huh?
Like I think like if you wait till the start, like I think you have
Yeah, bold.
It will stay.
சிபி வாங்க சிபி பாத்தெல்லாம் அடிச்சிருக்காங்க
Bowler, Tejas, bowler name?
சிபி one more ball power play man
over everything.
சிபி 10-90 வரீங்க
But the keeper is
நீங்க ஏன் அத இதா பாக்கிக்கிறீங்க நீங்க பேட்டிங் ஆடுங்க புஷ் everything else out
sportsmanship, man.
The keeper. Keeper is tired. He's not keeping well. He's there for appealing.
What's the point, man?
Hey, you got
They totally forget they got 20 more overs to play.
okay, bowler.
We got the ball in our hands, right?
Batting power play, bowling power play.
umpire 84
இல்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பால் ரைஸ் ஆச்சு இவ்வளவு ஹைட் வந்தது
umpire power play
தேர்ட் பால்
Which power play? Batting or bowling?
कुछ भी चलेगा
Bowling.
दो ही ओवर है
Bowling है क्योंकि बैटिंग होती है.
want me to take over scoring to us?
சிபி யோசிக்காதீங்க ரொம்ப
Sibi, easy. Show your anger in ball.
See, umpire is
Mahantesh.
okay. Then every ball இப்போ இவ்வளவு கேப் இருக்கு என்னடா every ball is having. That's the problem. And that's why they overrated.
Today is last time.
yeah mandatory
we are all giving, if you get us
No,
got it
today
Today, okay.
because it's left-handed paradise
पूरा खेलो एड्रियन पूरा खेलो
Have you started to go to the
my leather ball practice
Oh,
mostly I'll be transitioning to leather ball completely I think.
oh.
Have you scored all?
84 for 9.
90 கேட்டதால 90 கரெக்ட்டா கொண்டு வந்து நிறுத்திடுவோமோ
110 வரும்னு நினைச்சேன் நான் 13 வரும்
he asked for 90 right so whatever we get we'll try to get that 90
hey from what I've seen if we have a good partnership going and if we put a break there by losing a wicket we kind of lose அங்க இருந்து momentum
so the problem is new batsman in this wicket
adjust ஆகிறதுக்கு டைம் ஆகும்
they'll take 5-10 balls to get adjusted because
yeah but I think Saurabh played really well
Saurabh was playing very well.
நிறைய strikes he gave
could have run for that one ball
catch out தான்
இதெல்லாம் பிடிக்க மாட்டான் அவன் கத்திட்டு இருக்கான்.
Catch that.
proper catch
But
That's the problem, man.
no he won't be
no he can't
because he has to run
I'll try
covers இல்ல mid off
அது பால் ஓல்டாக டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கு அன்னைக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் வந்து நிறைய வருது நியூ பால் அந்த அளவுக்கு அன்பிரடிக்டபிளா
ஆனா இவன் பால் நான் என்ன நினைச்சேன்னா நீங்க நிறைய இப்படி ஆட ட்ரை பண்ணீங்க நான் நீங்க நவுந்து வந்து அடிப்பீங்க அப்படின்னு
நான் அவுட் ஆன ஷாட் ஆக்சுவலா அதான் ட்ரை பண்ணேன் இங்க தான் அடிக்க ட்ரை பண்ணேன் एक ही ओवर बचा है
outside of the pitch, having the air, just get little harder.
But his slot is here. He has to play.
See, the ball is also
85 ada?
I don't know what.
Last 2 overs were maiden. Last over maiden wicket.
Adrian, I think you should send him open.
Bowler name?
If we end up
I think Urjit, right?
for one game,
One second. Tejas Urjit, right? Urjit.
They are the run out 10.479. He played 4 overs for 5 runs.
Yeah, last 2 overs were maiden.
Shit, man, I should have stayed. I told him don't go for risky.
Adrian, 6 balls left. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट मैच में आएगा. अरे वो ऐसे कर रहा है.
Yeah, last 2 overs were maiden. The pitch is a minefield. Yeah. Last 2 overs were. See,
Single, come on, single.
the bouncer is unpredictable. Out है क्या?
Suhas. Is it out?
Wow.
सुहास single ले लो ज़्यादा. Stumping हाँ? कैसा आउट हुआ? Stumping. चेतन क्या हुआ? नहीं अभी तो हमारा वाला जगह है यार. पीछे खड़ा है. Back left slip. It happens. Back leg slip.
We have a very good score for this pitch. We have got close to 100, but that's okay. No, not that. We have the advantage. This pitch, I started in this pitch. Bowling is Chetan got out by run out. But run out, that guy is so back.
My
Leg standing up.
yeah, he stood up. My
That
legs
guy stood up. That guy cannot catch, man.
என்னடா 90 கூட வர மாட்டோமா?
I went to hit. It was a good length ball and up. My legs slipped out.
First ball. See, Ravi, மூணாவது ரெண்டு 3 மேட்ச் பண்ணி இதே மாதிரி தான்.
अरे ओवर रेट का मत करो यार.
மேட்ச் பண்ணி ஸ்பின் ஓவர் கணக்கு வரும். இதில் பண்ணலாம் ஈஸியாக முடிச்சிடலாம். ஏன்னா பிச்சு சி மேட் வந்து பிச்சு தான். ஓகேனா இது வந்து
Bowling है बहुत ही बढ़िया.
See, I say one thing. In this pitch,
कौन single.
forget about we didn't get 100, but 70 is a decent score in this pitch. We got 85. We still, I would say, this is a winning score.
कोई नहीं.
नहीं आएगी नहीं.
रन.
अरे यार कनेक्ट होता है रे. कनेक्ट होता है.
Good shot, Suhas.
अरे लेफ्टी को डालना इजी नहीं है. लेफ्ट को कैसे खेला?
Good shot, Suhas.
Shot, come on, go for it.
Yeah, one boundary, Suhas. Come on.
Wait for the ball and kick it.
But if he hits the boundary today, I said we'll give him a treat.
For sure, samosa treat.
चलो भागो ठीक है. लास्ट ओवर.
இந்த urgency போன
Perfect.
See, நீங்க 90 சொன்னது ஒரே கம்பெனி ஆகிரும் ஆடிட்டு இருக்காங்க.
அவனுக்கு 90 போயிருக்காங்க. பால் சக்கா அவனுக்கு 90
அவன் தான் போயிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஓடி போக வேண்டியது 100க்கு தாண்டி.
अरे पॉवर प्ले भी बट आई अंडरस्टैंड गुड लेंथ है ना वो इसमें आ रहा है लास्ट
लॉन्गर आगे खड़ा है.
वेट फॉर द बॉल
இல்லடா அவன் பால் இல்லடா அடிக்கிறது. ஆஃப் சைடுல இருந்தா அவனால ஸ்லாட்ல இல்லனா அவர் அடிக்க மாட்டாரு.
बैट गिरी थे लेकिन गया है.
नहीं है तो पहले भी छोड़ी थी.
88 to win.
Fielder name? Okay, captain, chalo. Start line.
Do after everybody we'll do a huddle first. Let's set the plans and then everybody go take some catches.
உள்ள போயிட்டு நம்ம ஷட்டில் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
So take balls.
When you were batting CB, was it
Better nele catch.
Alla City நீங்க டென்ஷன் ஆகிறீங்க. You should not get frustrated. The one you see if you had middle it might have gone.
இந்த கீப்பர்
அவனெல்லாம் ஆடுவான். அப்புறம் இந்த மொட்டை bowling கான்ஃபிடன்ட் ஹீரோ
थोड़ा ऊपर बैठा